Wow. Guys, do you know what is this, guys? Guys, this is fighting hero Triple H. Wow, what a cute and very beautiful fighting hero. Wow. Guys, do you know what is this, guys? Guys, this is Black Spiderman. Wow, what a fantastic and very fancy look of this superhero. Wow. Guys, this is my favorite and the best superhero in the world. Guys, this is Spider-Man. Guys, this Spider-Man color is very unique, guys. Wow. Guys, this is the amazing fighting hero Brock Lesnar. Wow. What a fantastic and very beautiful look of this superhero. Wow, amazing, guys. Wow. Wow. Guys, do you know what is the name of this purple color superhero? Guys, this is Thanos. Wow. Guys, Thanos' face impression is very angry, guys. Wow. Guys, this is beautiful Batman. Guys, this Batman color is silver and black. Wow, what a great and very fancy looking superhero, Batman. Guys, this is Iron Man. Wow, what a look of this superhero. Guys, this superhero will fight with the mini Superman. Guys, start the fight. Yo, to. Yo. Wow. Guys, this mini Superman winning this fight. Wow. Guys, this is Iron Man. Wow, what a great and very powerful superhero. Wow, this is Iron Man. Wow, what a beautiful look of this superhero. Wow, guys, this is Spider-Man. Wow. Guys, this is the best superhero in the world. Guys, this is Hulk. Wow. Guys, this is the most powerful superhero. Wow. Guys, guess the name of this superhero, guys. Guys, this is Venom. Guys, Venom color is red. Is very unique, guys. Guys, this is the fancy looking Iron Man. Wow, what a beautiful look of this superhero. Guys, this is Avenger hero, guys. Guys, this is the mini superhero Hulk. Wow, amazing, guys. Very amazing.